Okay, so this is basically the ADHD version of how to use this tool to figure out all the effect IDs for a weapon. For this example, I'm just going to pick the Moonlight. I'm just going to quickly write down myself here. And yeah, I'm going to assume you just read the README and set things up accordingly. So I'm just going to show you a quick run. First things first, we just need to figure out the vague ID range where the Moonlight is. So I'm just going to say no here. I'm going to skip the sanity check because I know it's in common effects. And I'm going to use the color-based ID finder. It's going to start the game for me. And I'm just going to load in, equip the Moonlight, go to the AC test, see what color the Moonlight is, and input that into the console. You're going to see me repeat this process a few times. Each time the program is going to narrow down the IDs to just that subsect I select. As you can see, it's blue, so I'm just going to quickly put in blue and then rinse and repeat. Blue again. Red. Here it's white and yellow, which means it's going to be in between those. So as you can read from the IDs, we can probably guess that it's going to be like 991,900 is where the IDs are going to live. So I'm just going to press E to exit. Then I'm going to restart the program. We know they're always pretty much grouped in the hundreds, so I'm just gonna say yes to restricting it to a specific ID range. So we're gonna do from this to this, and we're gonna select the second mode. Enter BND name, common effects, Moonlight. And it's just going to enable them one by one and allow us to write a description for each one. And it's going, as you saw, to skip the ones that are invisible because they have no containers / nodes. As you can see, I'm just going to write down what each one does. In this case, I'm going to call it initial flash. And then I'm going to do the same with every single other ID. I've taken the liberty to skip ahead to the first one that has a dependency, which in this case is 915, which depends on the other one, which is 05, which has been left enabled. In this case, it's just a second initial flash. As you can see, it lists there what you called the one it's referencing, just so you have an idea of what this one might be. In which case, I already know it's just a second initial flash. I've skipped ahead to the last one, which is the on-hit explosion for the charged hit. And once I hit enter and save that one, it's going to output a CSV file, which contains all the details in the same format as the FXR ID list for all the FromSoft games. So I'm just going to copy this and save it here, and then you can just open it in Excel or whatever. That's it.